We're at the hardware store looking for bricks. Right now we want to do a concrete wall, a little retaining wall. So we're looking at all the different selection they have here. And they've got a lot of selection here. We've got block everywhere here. There's so much block. Okay, so we picked up some concrete blocks from the hardware store. It ended up being an expensive endeavor. So we got 56 blocks and then 28 caps. And all together, after the government got their share, and we had to pay a deposit on the pallets, 3 of them, 40 bucks each, which they say they'll give us back. So that's good, but it was $16.48. So pretty expensive little project for not even putting a shovel to the ground yet, but we'll see. Okie dokie, with Archie's help and a little bit of Stevie's help, we finished the concrete wall. Alright, so you might have asked why we moved all those bricks. We're making a wall right down here, and that one pallet is right in our way. Actually, the whole thing would have been nice if it was shifted over about 3 or 4 feet. Miscommunication. Alright, a little break from the brick wall. Archie and Sean came out and ended up helping me a little bit, and Gilbert did too. Actually, Archie was a big help. So we got some caps on, we got a whole bunch of stone down. I guess give you a quick tour. Needless to say, my hands and my bones are exhausted. That stuff's a lot of work, but it goes down pretty quick once the ground is nice and graded, level, both ways. Okie dokie, we're out at the retaining wall. I have it here in the background with the root cellar here, and I got a little hattie patty there. So it's coming along. We've, Archie and I put up a number of blocks, we put some sand down, and I just got this section right here to do. And then I want to do another section along the wall over there. Similar to what we did over on this side. And then eventually we'll maybe do a little lean-to with some posts, and we can put the lawnmower and different items in there, and a door on the root cellar because it's being used as a shed right now. So we'll have to build a shed down the road too. So lots of projects, and you're coming along for the ride. Okay, we're going to be cutting another brick. Alright, so there you have it. We finished the brick wall. It took about 3 or 4 evenings for my son and I and a couple of the little kids. But it turned out pretty good. It's not perfect, but it turned out pretty good for a homeowner job. So let's check it out. Alright, there you have it. Thanks so much for watching. Tune in again for the next episode. Okay, so Rosie and I are going to load up the extra pallet and a few extra bricks. What are you doing out here? Go get some clothes on.
There, you can knock out on the...
So this is the funniest thing, but the hardware store charged us 40 bucks a pallet.
as a deposit, but if we return the pallets, we get the money back. But the funny thing is when you go to the hardware store, they have piles of pallets for free.
What's this?
So it might be a money grab.